Hello, beautiful people. I'm Alicia and I'm back on YouTube after forever. So I just wanted to start by saying, it's so funny how God works, because as soon as I was like, yeah, I think I'm done with YouTube, I don't really have time for that anymore, I got a text from this girl named Hunter who was really sweet and really nice, and she was like, I really want you to review my product. And I was like, okay, God, I see what I'm going to be showing you guys my twist out tutorial, and I'm going to use TerryLu Naturals Blessed Butter. I was first introduced to TerryLu Naturals when was that? That was the summertime. So my friend texted me, she's like, Alicia, I know this girl who's doing a photo shoot for natural hair and you should send her your pictures. So I sent Hunter my pictures, who was a girl who was over the photo shoot, and she really liked them, and she was like, this is just for my company. So she's building her brand and I already love it so much. So I did the photo shoot with her. It went really well. The people who were there, they were beautiful, and it was just really good vibes. And so this is the butter, and it can be used on your skin and your hair. So I used it in a twist out, and I've also been using it on my skin. I've really liked it for my skin because it's been cold here, and you know, the regular moisturizer hasn't been doing it for me. So this has been really good on my skin. So this blessed butter has kawapu butter, mango butter, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, arrowroot powder, and essential oil blend, as well as TerryLu Love. I think it's really cute that her brand is named after her grandmother's, and like on the side of the packaging it tells her story. I just think this is a really good brand for people to support. Hunter is, like I said, she's so nice, she's so sweet, and I wish her nothing but success and happiness and love and joy and all that good stuff. And this product, it smells like love and joy and happy. No, I'm playing. It smells really good though. So if you want to see me do my twist out with the TerryLu Naturals, then just keep watching. So I'm just starting off on very stretched hair. I did like a chunky braid out prior to this. So this is the product that I'm going to be using, TerryLu Naturals. So I'm just sectioning off each section, and I'm going to individually detangle and spritz each section with water. After that, I'm going to apply the butter. I applied this from my ends to my roots, and this is a very thick product, so you have to work it into your hair, and then I just twist each section all the way down to the end. That's it. So I just repeat this section all over my head with just spritzing with water, making sure it's detangled, and using the butter. Twist outs are so versatile, because if you want like looser curls, then you can do like bigger twists, but if you want, you know, more defined curls, then you can do smaller ones. Here I would say I'm doing like medium sized ones. I really love the consistency of this product, even though you do have to work it into your hair. It's really good for molding, so your twist out will last forever with the product this thick, as opposed to like the mainstream water-based, oh hey Prince, the mainstream water-based products that are on the market right now. dog in the corner who would not leave me alone. I don't know why he wouldn't get from up under me. I don't think I mentioned how little of this product that you need. Like, a little bit goes a very long way, which is why I really think it's worth it to support this company, and it's really good quality. So yeah, support TerryLu Naturals. Last night I just wrapped my hair up, and this morning I am fresh faced. I just washed my face and I'm using my TerryLu Naturals Blessed Butter on my skin. It's gonna have me glowing, period, as it should. Yes. So when you're taking down a twist, you have to be very careful, and when you're separating it, you have to be especially careful not to create frizz, because frizz is not what we want here. So when you untwist the twist, you want to separate it where the hair naturally wants to separate. And you'll see me doing this thing with the hair where I twirl it around my fingers afterwards, but that's only to make sure that the curl is still there. Now, some people do like frizz. The more frizz you have and the more you separate, the bigger your hair will be. But I didn't want my hair to be too big because I wanted the curls to last for longer. I find that separating the hair actually takes longer and is more tedious than actually twisting it up, because you really want to be careful not to ruin the curls that you created. So after all the twists are all separated, I like to fluff out my roots and go through with a wide tooth comb to kind of like get rid of any parts that may still be showing. You don't want to pull the comb all the way through because that'll ruin the curls. I like to pin down the front because it was kind of looking a little wild. And yeah. So after all the pulling and twitching and combing and fixing, my hair came out really cute and super curly. So make sure you guys go check out Blessed Butter by TerryLu Naturals, and thank you for watching my video.
It's A. What?